Hello everyone. My goals for today are to welcome you back and to introduce you to a new way of learning, distance learning, using technology. And one of the first things, or the second goal, would be using Zoom with etiquette and just clearly stating the expectations so that we can have a very good experience every time we Zoom during our office hours on Thursday. So our etiquette is where we'll start. And this was shared with me by the high school librarians, so to give credit to that resource. The first step is being on time. So when our invitation is set, that is when the Zoom is going to open. I will be the host of that Zoom and you will be the participants. So just make sure your computer's charged, plugged in, that you're in a quiet spot where you can focus. It recommends you're not near a window because of bright light. It also encourages you to at least be presentable in your attire that you wear, not showing up in your PJs, I guess. Be seen, be heard, connect with video every time. We want to see you. One of the things that we're missing out on through this experience is the one-to-one connection that we make on a daily basis in our school building. So we're trying to recreate that for you through office hours using Zoom. So please adhere to that. Using your manners, it's expected everywhere, whether you're in the school building, at home, or with us in a Zoom. So please do not interrupt others. There is a raise your hand feature. I think you can use that. I'll try my best as the host to manage those things. Sometimes questions want to be answered during a time when someone else is speaking and you don't want to forget your question. So you could type that into our chat. And if for some reason I don't see it, perhaps it can be something that we can at least go back to at the end or before we transition. So make sure you're facing your microphone so that we can hear you. And remember that during these sessions, we're not snacking or eating. Obviously, staying hydrated is fine, but we just don't want to have anyone, having their lunch during our Zoom. Be present, be focused, no multitasking, so put your devices away. The only thing you should really be focused on is our laptops and the conversation and discussion that we're participating in, and take your turn to allow each person to share what they need to share. We really missed you, and this is just a reminder that better days are to come, and Zoom sessions are just our way, like I said earlier, to just connect, teach you something new, and of course, we can't wait to be back in the classroom. And finally, we can't change our situation, but we can change our mindset connected to what we're going through. And so please consider a different perspective. This is challenging for all of us, but if we come to it with a positive mindset, we can get through this together. We're stronger together. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope that this helps to give you a little bit of peace of mind when it comes to how to participate in a Zoom, what to expect, and what the expectations are for you. Thanks again.